So let me just go around and grab in a text box right here and let's say create a text box, a writing area right here. And I'm going to go around and see, let me just go around and change the text color right here just like this. And I'm going to type in, this is a paragraph right here just like this. So if I were to go around over here and then select this out right here, I can go ahead and paste this out a couple of times and I got this paragraph right here just like this. So now what you can go ahead and do is you can work around with its character options to change out how this actually looks as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto the Windows menu right here and then go to the character section just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. And right now you can see that Deja Vu Sans is selected. You can go around and select out something else right here, and you can go around and change around the style of it as well. Let's say, for example, you can go for that one right here and then change this out. You can go for this one right here and then you can go and change this out, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and change out like whatever type of font that you want from over here just like this. So apart from that, you can see that you can change around the style of the font as well, and you can go around and change the size of the font as well just like this. And around over here you can change around the tracking of the font as well. So you can go around and increase out the percentage to increase out the tracking level, that is the space between the text as well. You can go around and change around the tracking font right here, and you can also go around and change around the leading. Let's say, for example, you can add in space and then deduct out space in between, as you can see just like this, and even keep it to auto right here. You can go around and increase out the size right here, that is the height of the text right here, and you can also go around and change around the width of the text just like this as well. You can go change around the baseline shift right here, or you can go around and change it out as well. You can simply go around and type in the value as you like. Let's say, for example, 50 pixel right here just like this, or utilize the scroll mouse button to go around and gradually change out the lines right here. So just like this, you can see that you can also change around the color of the text right here just like this, add in stroke to the text as well. So let's just go around over here, add in stroke to the text as well just like this, and then you can change around the color of the stroke as well, and then that is what you have. So let's just go around over here and you can see that this is a fill. So let's just go around over here and then you can change this around, and this is how it actually looks, as you can see right here just like this. So you can go ahead right here and then you can change around the background color as well just like this as well. So you can go around and choose a particular let's say, for example, color right here, background color, and that is what you have. You can go around over here and then make it let's say, for example, big right here by utilizing the flux bold option right here. You can go around, italicize it, you can capitalize everything and capitalize small as well just like this for a style. You can go around and superscript this, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and select this. You can superscript it or subscript it. You can underline it as well just like this. So you can go around over here and underline it out. You can go around and cross it out as well and utilize different options, as you can see right here. Like there are the styles right here, so you can go ahead and utilize different styles right here, as you can see right here just like this. Like for example, there's this particular A right here, but if I were to select this, then you get a different type of an A, as you can see right here just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the character options to change around how the character looks inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.